So in this video, I'm going to talk about TurboTax Business versus H&R Block Business. Now, TurboTax Business and H&R Block Business are both popular tax preparations software options for small businesses, but they have some differences in features and pricing. Here is a comparison of TurboTax Business and H&R Block Business. So TurboTax Business offers comprehensive features for preparing business tax return, including support for multiple business structure, example solo, proprietorship, partnership, corporation, guidance for business income and expenses as well. And the H&R Block Business also provides robust feature for business tax preparation with support for various business structure, income and expenses tracking. So H&R Block Business also provide robust feature for business tax preparation with support for various business structure, income and expense tracking, calculations and access to turmoil to business. Now both TurboTax and H&R Block Business are designed to be user friendly with step-by-step guidance and interview style promote to help user navigate through the tax preparation process. If you're talking about prices, now TurboTax Business typically offers a high price point compared to H&R Block Business. This may cost vary depending on the complexity of business return and any additional services or feature included. Now H&R Block Business generally offers competitive pricing options with the cost varying based on factors such as the business structure, the complexities of the return and any additional services selected. Both TurboTax and H&R Blocks provide customer support options including online help, resource, phone support, and in-person assistance. Ultimately, the choice between TurboTax Business and H&R Block Business may vary, depend on factors such as pricing, specific feature needed, user preferences, and any previous experiences with either software provider. Now, it is essential to evaluate your business tax preparation needs and consider the features and support offered by each software solution before making a decision. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.